Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. By the title of this one, you already know we're doing camber arms on the Mazdaspeed, and haven't even opened the box yet. Got this week. Yeah, haven't even opened it, so I'll unbox these for you guys. The car's already in the air, as you can see. I think it's a pretty simple job from what I read. The camber arm is this guy here. I think it's 217 mils, and that's about it. So it shouldn't be too hard. So I'll open this box, show you guys what the new ones look like, and we'll get to taking the old ones out. So these are made by SPC. I got them from Edge Auto. Here they are, adjustable camber arms. So what we'll do, we'll get the old ones out, line up the old one over top of this one, make sure these are the exact same distance away as the stock ones for now until I get my alignment, and then they can make adjustments as needed with this end here. That should get this car ready for an alignment. Yeah, there's not much to it, so let's get started. So here is the camber arm from the underside. The top bolt connects right up by the shock, and the other one is way up there. My wrench is connected to it already. Okay, so this rear arm on the passenger side is a massive pain in the ass. The top bolt up there, to get it out, you're gonna have to like wiggle and jiggle the arm and get it on a certain angle so that the bolt can get past the shield that's up there. But this one's out finally after like 20 minutes of working on that bolt. Cursing and swearing. So here's the stock one, and here is the new one. From what I've seen, you just line up the holes from the stock one, put the bolt in so it's right, and I should be good to get an alignment. Yeah, just 2 bolts and we'll throw this back in the car. Alright, so we got this all set up, exact same as the stock one for now, and it's good to go back in the car.
Wait, oh, right there. So close. Where the fuck do I put my hands? Can you go up more?
That's as far as it's letting me go. Nice. Alright, so here is the new arm. You tighten this one, right?
Yeah.
It's kind of hard to see, but it's nothing special really, but fully adjustable. So if you can see this, the big nut and the small nut, you just loosen the small one and then you can adjust your positive or negative camber. And I'll leave that to the guys at the alignment shop next week to do. Yeah, that's it for that arm. Can't really see it. Okay, there it is there. Same thing we're gonna do on the other side, just those 2 bolts. It's a little bit easier on this side because there's more room to get the stock one out, so it shouldn't be too bad. Really, whenever it's all put back together. Okay, so we're just finishing up this driver's side. Just a tip, the driver's side is much easier than the passenger side. This took us double the time the one on the driver's side did, so just be aware of that because it's gonna piss you off. But yeah, not too bad of an install altogether, besides the passenger side one. But we'll put this back on the ground. There's not really going to be any visible difference, I'd imagine, but I'll bring this to the alignment shop on Monday, hopefully, or sometime next week. They'll get it all aligned properly. Yeah, that's going to be the end of this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something maybe from it. These are the stock ones here, like I showed you earlier. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Peace out, keep moving forward.
Keep moving forward, baby.